When you create an email, you can choose any of our pre-existing templates to get you started off on the right foot. But did you know that you can also use one of those templates to create a master template that'll save you time and keep all of your emails consistently beautiful? You can brand it with your colors, logo, and include both all of the elements you want to reoccur in every email, as well as the ones we recommend as best practices. Let's start fresh with a new template. Creating a master template is all about setting things up ahead of time. So start out by making sure that the from line and the reply to email address are correct. Remember, your from name should be recognizable to your subscribers. Then add your logo. Whether you use an existing image block or drag one in from the build palette, make sure that you link your logo to your website or blog. Next, include some social icons and link them to your profiles. Including social icons is a best practice that helps you engage your subscribers beyond your emails. If your template doesn't have them, just drag them into place. Finally, let's change the colors. Using the colors of your brand makes your email look professional and increases recognition for you, especially if you use a hex number to be precise with the color. For the most impact, keep it between 1 and 3 colors, not including black or white. You can also edit the font color and size for your text. Keep in mind mobile display and make sure it's easy to read. At this point, we've added the things every company or business across the board should be including in their email. Recognizable from name and reply to email address, a logo with a clickable link, social media icons, and branded colors and fonts. Now you'll want to think about the layout and other additions that might be unique to your needs. For example, perhaps you want to include a few dividers. Or maybe you want to leave placeholders for calls to action. You can do as much or as little ahead of time as you'd like. When the template is ready, click the name at the top. Name the email something like Master Template, or if you think you'll need more than one, perhaps Master Template Announcement. That's it. The next time you need to create a new email, just go to your Campaigns tab and find that master template. You can leave it with your drafts or create a new folder for it so it's always easy to find. Once you find it, go ahead and make a copy. You'll be able to add all of your content to the copy, and your master template will always be waiting for you to create more copies from in the future. And that's how you can create a master template to make sure that your emails are consistent and save you time.